Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in the world. I hope you're having a good day. So I'm going to teach you how you can lock your Google Drive with Face ID. Go over to Google Drive, go to the bottom right section, which is the library. Click on the settings icon and go to privacy screen. Turn that on, and now you have Face ID enabled. It will authenticate with your face. Now when we open up the app, it will ask Face ID, and boom, you can log in. And that is very simple, guys. That is how you do it. Very quick video today. I hope you've enjoyed the video, found it useful. If you have, be sure to subscribe, hit that like button to help out the YouTube algorithm, and stay tuned for more. See you on the next one. Peace out.